What does a blank sound like when it's suppressed? And I'm gonna fire a blank without a suppressor and then with it. And let's see what it sounds like with, here we go, no suppressor. This is what it sounds like. So pretty noisy. Okay, now I've got the suppressor on there, and it's gonna be interesting because normally with subsonic rounds it's pretty quiet. With supersonic it's kind of noisy, but with no round, that'll be interesting. So let's see what it does. So I don't know how well you could hear that, but it was essentially just a little pss. It was almost like you were hitting a tire pressure gauge just to see, like just to let out some air or something. It sounded like nothing. I'm gonna do it again without my ears. So pretty useless. That was pretty much mostly one of the most useless videos I've ever done. But yeah, the suppressed blank sounds a lot like just letting air out of a tire. Okay guys, if you have any other stupid videos or comments on that video, please put in the comment section below. As always guys, thanks for watching.